But certainly cloudy. It's mild and damp as well. Very moist, warm air that's been coming in across the UK through the day. Basically because we're in what's known as a warm sector. We're behind the warm front, but not behind the cold front yet. And you can see the white lines, eyes of ours, very closely packed. That means it's a windy day as well. So not much sunshine today, but certainly a lot of cloud and a few spits and spots of rain. As we head through into the nighttime period, we see the second weather front, the cold front, starting to work its way in. Now this one is bringing in a little bit more in the way of heavy rain with it. So some heavy rain moving in from west to east overnight. But one thing we won't see overnight is anything rather cold. We're looking at overnight lows, more like daytime highs, 8 to 12. That's what we're looking at, temperatures dropping down to overnight. So exceptionally mild start to Wednesday morning. So we've got a bit of a wet start for some of us, I have to say. Look in the south, you can see the rain still hanging around the southeast, and I think it really will be heavy still in places. So a bit of a wet start then to Wednesday morning for the rush hour in London, across much of East Anglia as well. And don't forget the wind, that's the numbers in the white circles here. So a rather strong southwesterly wind yet again. Now, behind the main area of rain, we're not quite out of the woods yet. We've got quite a few frequent and blustery showers to watch out for. These mainly affecting, I'd have to say, western parts of the UK. So hopefully a few of us on Wednesday might see something a little bit drier around. It's not looking too bad for Northern Ireland, a glimmer of brightness coming through here. And across Wales too, we'll start to see something a little bit brighter perhaps edging in. Still rather damp though to start Devon and Cornwall in the morning, just that overnight rain clinging on here as well. So the wind, still very much a feature of our weather. It's coming up from a mild direction, so it's not going to be a very cold day on Wednesday yet again. But it is going to be wet towards the southeast, East Anglia until, well, round about lunchtime really. We'll clear that rain away. We hold on to these frequent showers though, you can see out across western parts, perhaps something a little bit brighter across eastern Scotland, northeast England. Temperatures again, well, 11 to 13 degrees, so it's looking pretty mild. Now, the wind's still the feature then for the rest of the week. We've got more windy spells of weather to come and more rain as well. Basically a succession of low pressures working their way in off the Atlantic. So Thursday, well, you can barely see the UK behind the rain here on the map. It's there, you can see it gradually appearing through the day, but not in the south. Southern parts of England and Wales look set to hold on to the rain for much of the day. And as I said, it's still looking windy. So it really is quite